guys? Hope all of you are fine. Hope you have written exam well. Now we shall begin the chapters for half-yearly examination. And the first chapter from half-yearly examination we have chapter 3, estimation. The word is not new for you, is it? You have learned it in chapter 1 also, where you had rounded the number nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. The same thing we have to do for this chapter. We have given certain numbers and we have to round these numbers nearest 10 in the first question, nearest 100 in the second question, nearest 1000 in the third question, and nearest 10,000 in the fourth question. So let us begin with the first question, where we have to round the number nearest 10. As we know, to round the numbers nearest 10, we have to see the digit at unit place. Is it? Given numbers, you must write it in this way, and estimated numbers nearest 10. So when we estimate, estimation, rounding off, these all are the same words. When we estimate the numbers nearest 10, we have to see the digit at unit place. If the digit at unit place is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 in the tens place digit. Now the first number we have only one digit, 7. So it is more than 5. So this would be rounded to 10 because we'll add 1 to the tens place. Nothing is there, so that will be 1, and for this 7 we'll give 1 0. Look at C, number B. 19. Is it more than 5? The digit at one's place is 9. That is more than 5. So what we are going to do? We are going to add 1 with this one and write 0 for this 9. So add, it would be 20. Number C. It is 23. Digit at one's place is less than 5. So 2 will remain as it is, and for 3 will give 0. See, number D is 45. Digit at one's place is 5. So 4 will turn into 5, and for this 5 will give 1 0. Is it? See, number F is given 241. Do not get confused. Do not say, ma'am, there are 3 digits. Let it be 3 digit or 30 digit. We have to see the digit at unit place only, because we are rounding the number nearest 10. One's place it is 1, less than 5. So this 4 remain as it is, and for 1 will give 0. Is it? Look at question number I. Is given 826. See the digit at unit place 6, more than 5. So we'll add 1 at 2's place, the digit at 10's place. So this will be 830. Is it? Let us see question number K. 2524. Again digit at one's place. I have told you number may consist so many digits, but we have to see the digit at unit place only. Is 4, less than 5. So this digit at tens place will remain as it is. So we'll write 252 as it is, then 1 0. So this is the way we round the number nearest 10. Is it? This was question number 1. Now question number 2, we have to round off the numbers. We have to estimate the numbers nearest 100. So let us begin question number 2. Here also we have to write given numbers, estimated numbers nearest 100. See, number 1 is given 984. Now we have to round it nearest 100. Which digit we should see? We should see the digit at tens place. Is it, my dear? If the digit at tens place is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the digit at 100 place. So it is more than 5. 8 means more than 5. So 9 plus 1, that gives you 10. And for this two digit at tens place and digit at ones place, we give 2 0. Is it? Let us see number B. 512. Digit at tens place is less than 5. So this digit at 100 place will remain as it is. And for digit at tens place and ones place, we'll give 2 zeros. Nearest 100 means the number should end with the 2 zeros. Is it? Look at number D. 456. So this is 5. So 4 will turn into 4 plus 1, 5. Then 00. And look at number F. 1743. Doesn't matter if the number is consisting thousands digit. We have to see the digit at tens place. Is less than 5. So 17 will remain as it is. Then 2 zeros. Is it? Number I. Okay. First you see number H. 7008. Digit at tens place 0. So this will remain as it is. Then the number would be 7000. Is it? CK. 20,134. Digit at tens place 3. So this will be 20,100. So this way we have to do question number 2. Is it? In the next sum, in question number 3, we have to round the number nearest 1000. So what do we know? If we are rounding the number nearest 1000, we have to see the digit at 100 place. Is it? The rule remain as it is. It is not going to change, my dear. 3425. Nearest 1000 I have to round. So we have to see the digit at 100 place is less than 5. So this remain 3000. Is it? See the next one. It is 5930. So digit at 100 place 9. More than 5. So this thousands place will add 1. 5 plus 1 6. Then that will end with 3 zeros. All 3 digit will turn into 3 zeros. Nearest 1000 means the number should end with 3 zeros. Is it? Number D. 8585. See the digit at 100 place 5. So 8 plus 1 9. Then 3 zeros. Look at number F. 15,629. So digit at 600 place 6. So we'll add 1 at the thousands place digit. So 15 plus 1 16. Then 3 zeros. And the H number, okay, G number I am doing. 1,25,825. Doesn't matter. We have to see the digit at 100 place only. Whether it goes to lakh and 10 lakh does not matter. It's more than 5. So we are going to add 1 at the thousands place digit. So this will be 1,26,000. Is it? So for today you just leave it up to here. You will finish up to question number 3. And if there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Next day we will be solving question number 4 and all. Till then, keep practicing, dears. Thank you.